In this video, we are gonna learn how we can make database. But first of all, let's know SQL. What is SQL? SQL is a language used to communicate with database. What is database? Database is like a notebook that you store data inside of it. Just an easy definition. Now let's start how we can make database. First thing, you have to start these two things, Apache and MySQL. After that, you can go to the shell. Click on it. You will see the black window. Let's maximize this. Now, let's write. The first thing you have to access to your database, or the first thing you have to access to your server. How you can make it? You have to write MySQL -h space localhost -u root and -p. Enter. We don't have password. You can enter it, and now you're inside of your server, local server. It gives you XAMPP, gives you local server. Okay, and now I want to make database. How you can make database? The first thing you have to write create. It doesn't matter if you write it in capital letter or a small letter, doesn't matter, but I recommend that you use capital letter for SQL commands. Okay, I'm gonna write create database, and after that you can choose a name for your database. For example, I want to choose a name for my database, example. Okay, now semicolon and enter. Our database is created. Let's see it. You can see it from here. MySQL, go to admin panel, click on it. You're gonna go to admin panel, and now you see my database is created. If I click on it, I don't have any table inside of this database. Now let's make table. In our database, you can go to the shell. Okay, and here the first thing you have to specify in which database do you want to create table. I want to make a table inside the example table. You can write use and your database name, example. Now I am inside the example database. Look, it shows example. Now let's make table. How you can make table? You can write create table. After that, you can choose a name for your table. For example, I want to choose a name for my table, customer. My customer table has columns. Okay, every table has columns, and you have to specify it inside the parentheses. The first thing I have to specify it is customer ID, and this ID should be integer. int mean integer. Every time I store data into my database, the table should write integer number and increment automatically. Okay, how you can make it? You can write auto increment like this. With comma, you can separate your column. The another column is customer name, customer name. And this customer name is text because it should hold the string values. I want to make another column by the name of country like this, and this also store string values. I write text and semicolon. Okay, it's here. Remember this, that SQL with auto increment should be primary key, and we are gonna learn about primary key in future lesson. I wanna add a primary key. Let's write it with capital letter, primary key, and now our table is created. Let's see how you can see your table. You can write describe your table name. What was the table name? The table name was customer. Look, this customer table has 3 columns: customer ID, customer name, and country. The type of customer ID is integer. The type of customer name is text. The type of country is text. And customer ID shouldn't be null. And customer name and country can get null values. This customer ID is primary key, and by default all of them is null. And this customer ID is auto increment. What is auto increment? Every time I store data, the integer, for example 1 plus 1 equal to 2, it's increment by default. For example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay? If you want to see your database, you can go to MySQL and click on admin. You are inside of your database. If I refresh my database, you can see that inside the example database, I have a table with customer name. And if I click customer table from here or here, doesn't matter, I'm gonna click on it, customer, and this customer has 3 columns: customer ID, customer name, and country.